Hello, welcome to my channel. This today is my company for setup. This is the motherboard, graphic card, and then the power supply. This is a new company that I've tried. It's good. It's the RAM, and this is this Antex case which has both ATX and mini ATX. This is Ryzen 2600X. Okay guys, now we're going for B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. This is the unboxing. So this is an AMD motherboard, 5GB Aorus, and I'll be providing the links for all the components in the description below, so you need not worry. You can search it online or check it all online, its features and everything you want. So stay tuned. And this is the AMD slot in the middle, and we have PCI 16 for graphic card, PCI 8 and PCI 4 with a PCI 2 in the first, and 4 RAM slots with also on board Wi-Fi, and it also has RGB connections. So now this is the antenna for Bluetooth and internet. This is the SATA cables. This is a manual for instructions, and this is a CD we won't be using. Idiotic. These are the screws for the fixation of motherboard onto the case. And we have something else too. This is a connector helper which helps us connect all the power cables stable on the motherboard, and this goes around here, which is easy for rejecting the cables without any problem. That's it. Now we're gonna unbox our GTX 1070, which is 5GB. It's 8 gigs of VRAM, and this is the casing that we get the box. It has RGB vision control, and it cost around 38,000 for me, but the prices are up right now, maybe. So this is a card where we get all the instruction manual, how to mount the graphic card and this shit, and the graphic card driver, again an idiotic CD which we won't be using. We have internet, bro. Why all this stuff? We're in the age of USB and they're still setting CDs. Dumbass. Really? Okay, this is the instruction manual, and then we're gonna place it back in smoothly. And we also have the warranty on this, on product warranty based on gigabyte. Okay, anyway, we'll keep the CD, and now we're gonna see a graphic card. It has 2 cooling fans and a unique one with 2 one upon other fans. I've already opened it before, like I've literally, yeah. Now, yeah, that's what we are looking for. Ooh, yeah, there's a PCI 16 mounting slot, and we do have SLI bridge 2-way, and those are the power. No, this is the VR, yeah, HDMI, and these are the normal module connections. Now guys, this is a processor by AMD Ryzen 5 2600X 4.2 GHz overclockable processor. The base clock is 3.6 GHz, and I've already opened it, but I'm opening it for you so that you get to see what's inside the case. That's the instruction manual I just threw away. and that's a processor, and the small white, that's a sticker, and that can be okay. And then next, that's a holding case of the processor. Now this is a cooling fan which is sent by AMD. It kind of looks good. It has a good look, smooth sleeky finish, and yeah, it also is heavy. Yeah, but be careful while mounting this, guys. It's very hard. Yeah, it's very, yep, we'll be seeing that soon. And this is the power connection to the motherboard. Now guys, this is our RAM that we're gonna use. It's by Kingston HyperX Fury. It's 8 GB. A single one is 8 GB, and we're gonna use 3 of this, which is 2400 gigahertz. That's the speed of the RAM, and it contains 8 gigs. It's very good. It's a standard one. I've been using this for a long time. These are new ones that I got for my new setup. There's an instruction and warranty manual both. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and this part will be ending this. So we have seen all the components I've been using, and in the next part we'll be seeing the assembly of these components I've used. So I'll be also providing the links to this in the description, and with all the prices that I've got it for. Okay, see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like, and also do comment in the video below so that I know something that you want to tell me, and I'm open to suggestions. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.